So we talked about regulators and these pressures, and we've talked about technology and where it's gone and where it's going. And here, this is quite an interesting one, right? This is really talking about and bringing into play, specifically looking at across the globe in kind of the three biggest areas when we start talking about accounting firms, and specifically looking at surveys that have gone out from really the kind of the professional accounting bodies. You'll notice that technology, right? Everyone struggles, and they say, what does technology mean for you, or what would it mean for us? Well, it's going to depend, and it's an extremely broad term. But what you see I've just highlighted on screen, there's a lot of consistencies across the globe. But what's also interesting is these common threads, right, that you'll see there. They're really there's technology and being cloud-based. That's for sure one movement that if a global pandemic didn't cause your firm to really consider or move to something more mobile, you should be doing that. But then really you start looking at the next biggest piece, and it's really around data analytics, RPA, artificial intelligence. All of these things obviously need data as well. So it's just kind of reinforcing that mindset that really you need to be mindful. This is a change and a thing you need to do, of sitting down and really understanding your process, what those pieces to the process are and how you can improve them, right? Not only for just that engine A of the things that you're currently doing and actually improving or enhancing the current and historic services you've provided, but also moving into additional spaces. And what's interesting, again, is this being from kind of those accounting bodies, they're aware of these things, right? So they're including and starting to expect these things. We're seeing across the globe in all the major geographic locations, right? They can't change the standards to say that, yes, you have to use data analytics, but they're definitely permitting them, right? They're actually including them, whether it be automated tools and techniques or evidence standards. We're starting to see that adoption being pushed by kind of the regulatory side as well.